In our Foley category, we've added in these sort of ceramic and rock presets. And then on top of that, we've also got some explosion-based ones. We can increase the release as well. Okay, so next up we've got the interface sounds. So these are the beeps that we created. So the bomb timers work on autoplay, so you can just pick start, and then you can control what kind of beep or ticking that you want. And you can also then control on this button here, you've kind of got the last second, it's all about to explode moment. We've then also got a few tonal glitch sounds. We wanted to sort of almost create, not quite musical, but something that people could use as those one-shots. And then obviously control your pitch. Okay, so lastly we've got the vehicle pass-bys. Within that I can then change to it just being the vehicle itself, or then being a surface. And then within that surface I can change it to a dry surface or a wet surface.